On a website, the navigation menu is super duper important because it serves as a guide for your readers and your audience to navigate their way around the website. I'm sure a lot of you are trying to figure out how to get your WordPress navbar set up just right. In this video, we're going to learn just that. Let's begin. So on WordPress, you have the option to customize your header menu very easily. I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure to do it. For this, you'll have to go to your WordPress dashboard, scroll down, and in Appearance, click on Menus. This is my default menu. I'll quickly show you by switching my tab. As you can see, this is the menu that is currently visible on my blog. Now on this header, I would want to add a few more options, a few more pages. So for that, I've created new pages which are visible here. If you want to create new pages for your blog, you can create it under Pages in the dashboard. Now on to creating the menu. So all the pages that you have created will be visible on the left hand side in this page. I'll quickly select sports, cricket and football and add it to the menu. Now once this is added, say for example if I hit save, it will be reflected on the website. As you can see, it's now visible. But what if I want to customize this? I'll show you how to do that. For example, I want to have sports visible right after blog, and I want to add football and cricket in it. Now WordPress menus gives you the option to add sub menus. For example, if I want to add cricket and football as a sub menu to sport, I can do that. For this, you should click on the menu and slightly slide to the right, and it also denotes it as sub item, which makes it clear. I'm going to do the same for cricket. Hit save menu, and now I'm going to show you the result. Now our updated menu shows a drop down for sports with football and cricket listed therein. For example, if I want to change it around, I can simply go and reorder them from the menu tab any way I want it. I've moved cricket up, moved football down, and that's now visible here as well. So let's go ahead and make the menu slightly more granular, right? So I'm going to add squash, indoor sports and outdoor sports pages that I've created already. And here I'm going to show you how to create a multi-level menu for your website. For example, I'm going to move outdoor sports, further as a side item, indoor sports as another, so as you can see, I have created a sub menu where sports is the main category. You've got a sub item called outdoor sport, under which cricket and football are visible, and another sub item called indoor sport, under which you have squash. You can add more of your articles for each of these pages. But now that I've created this complex submenu, I'm going to refresh my page and show you how it looks like. So we've got sports, under which we have indoor and outdoor. And that is how you can go about creating your own menus and also customizing how these menus appear. It's a great practice to have menus that are pointing to relevant pages. That way it helps someone who's visiting your website for the first time or even a repeat visitor to navigate to your website effectively and effortlessly. The advantage here is that you help your audience find the right page, or rather the right category. This is a great experience for them, and it also increases your time on site. This can be slightly time consuming, but it's worth the effort. I want you to get started with it, and if you need any more help, do put them down in the comments and I would be happy to help.